Guys, good morning. I just woke up, guys, and my food is ready. Guys, look, I have a pandesal. You know a pandesal, guys? That's a bread here in Philippines. A very delicious bread. Early in the morning, guys, I eat this and then I drink a hot choco. Look, guys, ayan, my hot choco. Naubos ko na siya. Ayan. And then, ayan, I have a fried rice here. Ayan, guys, if you have a bahaw, guys, gawin nyo lang siyang fried rice. Gawin nyo lang siyang fried rice, guys, para hindi masayang ang inyong mga bahaw. Makain natin. Ayan, ito na nga siya, guys. Ayan. Meron na tayong Java rice. Ayan, para na din tayong kumain sa restaurant. And I have a pork grilled, guys. Ayan, ang sarap nito. Pork grilled. Ayan, with sibuyas and lemon, guys. So, let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Ayan po, a small amount of rice. Ayan. Very delicious, guys. Ayan. Simple lang paggawa nito, guys. Ayan, yung ating Java rice. Ayan, gisa lang natin yung bahaw, guys. Put a little amount of oil. And then, put a bawang. O kaya, you use margarine, a butter, guys. When you gisa the rice, the bahaw. Ayan. And look, guys. Ayan. I have a pork chop here. Ayan po. Ayan. Namiss ko lang kumain nito, guys. Kasi, ayan, minsan lang tayo makakain nito, guys. Ayan, minsan lang tayo makakain na masarap. Kaya, ayan. No diet for today. No diet for today, guys. Ayan, let's eat. Kain tayo na marami, guys. Wala muna tayong diet ngayon. Ayan. Let's eat. Ayan. My face is so haggard. So yummy. Ayan. And then we have a sausawan here, guys. A sausawan of my pork grill. So yummy. It tastes so good. Sarap nyo, guys. Very delicious. Actually, guys, this is my breakfast and also my lunch. Ayan. My lunch, guys. I really love it. You can taste the guys, the sibuyas. So good. So yummy. So that's it for today, guys. I'm full, so my stomach is so full. Look, my stomach is so full, guys. So that's it for today. I cannot, di ko na siya maubos, guys. So, mamaya na ulit natin to. Dinner. Mamaya na ulit to tong dinner, guys. Meron ulit tayong food, di ba? Ayan. Ayan, hindi ko na maubos yung aking guys. Hindi ko na siya maubos yung aking rice because I eat a pandesal. 3 pieces of pandesal. So, ayan. So yummy. So that is for today. I love it. My food is very delicious. Bye everyone.